Are you ready to say goodbye to the ordinary and embrace a world of personal style? This video will take you step by step through the design process of 3D printed socks. Photoshop is a very powerful software. It can synthesize any pattern according to your ideas and support the import of pictures in various formats. Use a sock printer to print patterns on socks. There is no limit to the design. You can make the pattern you like. Comics, pets, food, fruits, avatars, logo, animals, etc. First, import the file into professional RIP software for precise color management. And then import the RIP optimized file into the printing system to ensure high precision, high-fidelity professional output effects. According to the difference of sock materials, the subsequent finishing process needs to be targeted, taking polyester material as an example. The high-temperature color development process is used to place the socks in a sock oven for color fixation to ensure that the fiber dye molecules are fully colored. Digitally printed socks are driving innovation and upgrading in the trendy socks market with their advantages of personalized customization, quick response, and environmental protection and intelligence. In the future, they will become the mainstream development direction of the socks industry.